Do your happy feet. Do it. I'm filming. Do what you were just doing. Honey, I'm not going to film you spinning. I wanted to film you doing happy feet. Same thing you've been doing for 10 minutes. Do it. Okay, I'm going to stop filming. You asked me to get the camera out. There you go, do it. Go, Haley, go, Haley, go. Happy feet, Haley.
You can stay. When you can take a picture.
I am taking a picture. Taking a long picture. Where's the big finish? Ta-da! Do a big finish. Ta-da! Yay!